Today in Tokyo was all about food and learning something new. We joined a hands-on ramen cooking class and got an inside look at what really goes into making this iconic dish.
Hot shell like this, so there are so many grams of hot shell.
Don't let go.
Very good. Then break 180. Rotate 180. Okay. Oh, nice, perfect. Then do it again. So grab it, then put it on fish. Then then finally smooth again.
Smell it from here.
You can smell from here.
Yeah,
You know
can
where
smell
the smell comes from?
The pork.
That's all I know. Please.
Two hot suppers in here.
Thank you. One more, please. Only the one. Perfect. Thank you. So let's now make a marinade sauce. Thank you. Okay. So marinade sauce is again based on the soy sauce. So let's now scale soy sauce. May I ask for your help?
Sure. You can do it.
Okay. So I need 200 grams of soy sauce. Okay? Yeah. You can put it in there. See the water? Very good point. Very good point. Thank you. So,
Carmen, put down.
do you see the color has changed?
Carmen, that's not a solid wall.
I know.
See, the color has changed to golden brown. We have one and only Japan-made custom Japanese knife. So, like,
Yay, it's nice
looks
and
like.
Oh, it's fancy.
It looks fancy.
It is. Oh, that is fancy,
Yeah,
Carmen.
this is fun. How thin it needs to be.
That is pretty thin.
That's thin, Mason.
Yeah, that's good.
This one's thicker. Yeah. I mean, I don't think I...
Can you help me to put this one in the bowl, please?
Just,
Yeah,
just all of it?
everything. Yep.
From preparing the broth to working with the noodles and assembling the final bowl, every step showed how much care and technique is involved. What seems like a simple meal is actually built on balance, timing, and tradition. Making ramen ourselves gave us a whole new appreciation for how it's done in Japan.
Okay. So, in 1 minute, ramen is going to be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So
Go.
here. Okay. Then let's do.
Very nice.
10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's do this. Alright.
Okay.
Thank
you so much, Ramen
Good job. You're officially a ramen master now. Thank you so much. Can you put it back here? Alright. Are you ready to do the shooting?
Yep.
You got it.
Let's do this.
I mean, why not?
Anybody else gonna have
Okay, we're ready.
Too much.
Too much.
No, you can have the seaweed.
Wait,
Too many,
I need to get the
too
top
many
of
don't
this
give up
one
days.
so I can eat it. Okay.
Yeah,
So
it's
you
good
don't
when
need
it's
to
all
eat
wet.
everything. So.
Okay.
Oh no, he wants it.
Yeah.
You want it? Oh, so you.
He likes
you
seaweed.
can.
Yeah, he likes seaweed.
Alright, let's eat tour. Well, let's eat it.
Yeah, I like seaweed food. Yes.
Not boom.
Yes.
For kids, they have a.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.